Okay, guys, time to test number one of the problem children. And we all know what problem children are like. Ugh, what a mess. So what we had to do is we had to add a ton of area to that turn to even make it come within 10 CFM of the straighter runners. It's coming through our end runner, so it does have the advantage of more plenum, right? It's going to feed through the plenum. I think that's an advantage. If you disagree with me, say it in the comments. We have it set up at 600. We've got the throttle body set wide open. Let's see how we did. Okay, 900 lift is unrealistic, but still, broke 200, fiddling with it a little bit. Overall, I'm going to consider that a win. You guys let me know if it is not a win. Let's take a look at the sheets. We'll compare it to our master. And that's it. Let me turn off that fan. That is actually one thing I didn't mention. Since it is hot as hell, this one was tested at 79 degrees. We started at 82. And we're finishing at 86. I hit the wrong button, so these two are going to need to get spliced. Okay, number 4 is our master. Number one did pretty well. It did better in the low lifts. It didn't do nearly as well in the mid-range. It's down 5. But it did quite well up top. Now, it didn't completely top out as well. So it's hit or miss through the whole curve, but pretty close. Okay, master. Okay, this is number 1. They're almost identical. They're minus plus plus, but they're only off by a couple. Let's take a look at the center. Up and up. Quite balanced through the roof of that. Okay, the short side is balanced side to side, but we're a little fast in the center versus our master. Interesting swirl curve, almost all pluses, except at the very top. At 600, we have way more than we need. Here we have way more than we need as well. Okay, guys. I did goof up. I did my pipes, and then I forgot to do the other two. I would try to do that now, but I have a feeling it won't stay paused long enough, and we've already got a splice in this. So let's see. We are going to compare these numbers on our master to this one. All minuses, but it tops out better. And I'm willing to bet these last 3 flows would be better as well. Let's take a look at our airspeeds on that. Taking at 600 lift, it looks like a loser, but it's flowing more. So put your input on that and see what we can figure out with that. Okay, this column's not really going to be a surprise. It's one of our problem children versus one which is a pretty straight port. So it's going to be tough to make it come close to this. One thing I did do is I did just the lower with some clay on it. It flowed 227. I did that on another one as well. Let's see if I can find that for you guys. Okay, I got a one-handed. But number 2, I did that. It flowed 225 with clay on the lower. And number 2 has a way better shape to it. So we're less, but we kind of hold on fairly decent. 126.5, 125, 300, 175.3, 169. Lower than I'd like. At our peak, 206.2, 199.1 at 600. We top out at 201, so we're down 6, which is not really surprising because we're at least 10 lower on just the lower intake manifold balance flows. So overall, I'm going to take it as a win. You guys give me your input on this. Thanks for hanging out. Have a good night.